RT-PCR test anymore. So if you're double vaccinated, you can enter the state. So we'll be lifting the condition of testing for double vaccinated individuals. Number 2, night curfew will be lifted. Number 3, schools will be fully functional from Monday onwards. That is class 1 to 5 in Shillong especially. Number 6, this is already in fact has been decided, but I just want to reiterate that for funerals, no permissions will be required, but COVID protocols need to be followed, and obviously there has to be restrictions on the number of people. For large gatherings and public meetings and weddings, we have so basically permissions are being granted for this also. It was done a few weeks back. I'm just reiterating it, that all of these will be allowed, and only permission from the Deputy Commissioner or the SDO will be required, and even the numbers will be decided by the Deputy Commissioner and the SDO based on the venue where the programs will take place. This also includes processions as well. In bars, restaurants, and movie theaters, it will be double vaccinated people will be allowed, and the odd even will continue in Shillong.